Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel and I'm here with another video, and in today's video I'm going to discuss problem of the Volvo EC480D excavator. What is the issue to this machine? So you will see, you can say this is my key switch. I'm going to on it. As soon as I on the switch, key switch on, this warning is appeared. Okay, you can see this warning: anti-theft system, machine inoperable contact. This warning appeared, and now I'm going to start the machine, but the machine is not starting. So this is the issue which I'm going to resolve today. So be with me. Okay, so first I will check all the fuses and relays. So first I let you know what time this problem is occurred. Actually the AC system was not working of this machine, so our AC technicians worked on it, and on the operator seat back side he removed this area and he worked on it, checking the evaporator and the motor, and that time this problem occurred. So with off camera I checked all the fuses and relays. Here is not any problem, everything is okay. Fuses, not any fuse is burnt, not any relay is stuck, everything is okay, but my problem is not solved. So now I'm going to again in the cabin and I will check all that connections which the AC technician touched. So viewers, this one is the area where the AC technician was working and he was repairing its AC system. So now I am going to check here all the connections related to the computer. This one is my vehicle control unit, and this was a telematic or care track unit, and this one is the AC related controller, a CCE, a CCU climate controller unit. So I will check all the connectors of all the computers, all the electronic computers, and repair and also check all the connectors. Okay, I think the problem is the hair, because before machine was good, but now after repairing the AC system my machine is not starting. So in off camera I will do all my work, then if I found any issues then I will show you and let you know where is the problem. So here off the camera I checked all the controllers, but what I have found, you can see this one is a WEC unit. Okay, this one is the care track telematic units, care track telematics units. So I found here downside, you can say this connector. Okay, this is a WECU unit. So this connector was little loose. Okay, so this time I will fix it properly. It was little loose. I just only push it back properly and I check my machine, so my machine become okay. Okay, so I show you. First I on it and let you know. Now I came back to my dashboard units. I just going to on the machine. Okay, so I'm going to on the machine. Now machine is on, so you can check the condition. This an error is coming, one error. I remove the error. So you can see now my machine is properly on, not anti-theft error is appeared. Viewers, keep in your mind, whenever you have the problem like this, machine is inoperable or anti-theft system is activated, you have to check this unit, its connections, its power. Okay, and everything will okay, so your problem will solve. So this problem only occurred due to this system, because this is the our care track telematic. So here is not any errors coming. So now I'm going to start my machine. So you can see now my machine is starting. Here you can see the RPM. maybe you not heard the engine sound, but here are the RPM you can see. So now my machine is starting. My problem has finished before my machine was not starting. Okay, my warning has gone. Advise you, whenever you have the problem like this, so you have to check the care track telematic unit. Check its power, check its connections, and your problem must be finished. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in next informative video.